Hey guys, it's MikaylaCalese, and if you would like to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so first I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I think I'm going to do them off camera today because they're so hard and they take me a while, so I'll be right back. Now I'm going to be taking my It's My Ray Ray palette. I love this palette. It has 15 beautiful colors in here. Today I'm going to do the blue. I'm actually inspired by this look that Tiara Walker just did, so I'm not sure if it's gonna come out exactly like hers, but I'm gonna try. I said I'll try. I don't even know where to start. You know how you do something good on one eye, but you can't do it to the other eye? That's how I feel like this is about to turn out. Put some concealer in the middle of my eyes. I'm going to set this concealer with my Laura Mercier. I'm going to take this shade Sapphire here and put that in the middle. This is so different for me. I'm going back in with my detail brush, that way I can have that nice outline again. I like this. I actually like this. Like, I usually don't do stuff like this, so this is new to me. I have to figure out how I'm gonna fix this part. You know what? I'm gonna go with it. We're gonna go with just that. Sure enough. I'm going in with Sapphire again. I'm gonna underline my eyes right here using Morphe E35. In the corner of my eye, I'm going to do Golden Girl, that pop of color. Using my Lacombe eyeliner, honey, waterproof. I don't know how to put on my eyelashes yet, y'all. So we're gonna have to rock with this mascara for a while. I don't mind mascara. Like, my eyelashes are pretty long and curly. Okay. I'm probably gonna look back on these videos like, you thought she was cute too. You thought that was real cute. I don't think it's cute. Using xoxo Activator Radiance Primer. As you can see, I'm terrible at pronouncing everything. So soft. It is so soft. It makes my face just feel so lovely. I'm still gonna post this video. I was just thinking to myself like, ugh, should I even post this? But yeah, I'm gonna post this because this is a journey. Like, this is my journey. I had enough, okay? I'm gonna put on my lip and we gonna get out of here. Actually, let me fix up. I'm all over the place. I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, I tried. I really did try. Things only get better when you practice. I'm going to take my color pencil from Morphe in the color Richie. I'm using Morphe Chill lip gloss, setting spray. That, my friend, was too much. I'm gonna put on my outfit and I will be right back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you later.